Hey there friends, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome to have you here. Today we're diving into the exciting world of gaming PCs with a hands-on look at the CyberPowerPC Gaming Desktop. If you're new to all this, don't worry, I've got your back. This beast is loaded with an AMD Ryzen 7 9700X, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti 16GB, 32GB of super-fast DDR5 RGB memory, and a massive 2TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, all wrapped up in a sleek white case, model SLC4200BSDFV5, SKU 6617168. This machine is built to deliver an amazing gaming experience, but let's see if it really lives up to the hype. Over the next few minutes we'll break down everything you need to know, from what's inside this PC to how it looks and what makes it special. We'll chat about the features, the good stuff, and even a few things to watch out for. This PC has a solid 4.4 out of 5 stars from 75 reviews, so you're in good company if you're curious about it. So, grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's have some fun exploring the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme, currently priced at $2,109.99. Stick around to see if this gaming desktop is the right fit for you. Okay, let's dive in and take a closer look at the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme together. This awesome machine goes by the model number SLC4200BSDFV4, and you'll spot it under SKU 6593754. Now you might be wondering, why all these numbers? Honestly, it matters. If you're like me and love geeking out over spec sheets or comparing different setups, these details are super helpful. Having the exact model number and SKU means you know exactly what you're getting, no surprises, just the features you want. Think of it like ordering a custom pizza. You want to make sure you get all your favorite toppings, right? So keep those numbers handy when you're ready to snag this beast for yourself. Alright, let's get real for a second and talk about the big question on everyone's mind. How much does this thing actually cost? I know, price tags can be scary, but hey, it's important to know what you're getting for your hard-earned cash. So, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme comes in at about $1,449.99. Yeah, I know, that's not exactly pocket change, especially if you're just starting out in the world of gaming PCs. Trust me, I get it. Seeing a price like that can make anyone do a double take. But before you start panicking, let's take a deep breath and really look at what you're getting for that price. Don't worry, I'm not here to convince you to spend your life savings. Let's just break it down together. Is this just a fancy brand name, or is there actually some solid value packed in here? Remember, this is a pre-built gaming PC. That means you don't have to hunt down all the parts or spend hours figuring out how to put it together. If you're not super techie, that's a huge win right there. Plus, you're getting a system that's already been tested and tweaked for performance. No headaches, no troubleshooting, just plug it in and start gaming. That peace of mind? Pretty awesome if you ask me. And honestly, if you tried to build a similar PC yourself, you'd probably end up spending about the same, especially with how pricey graphics cards are these days. Those things can really eat up your budget. So yeah, it's a bit of an investment, but for the performance and convenience you're getting, it's actually a pretty fair deal. You're getting a powerful, reliable machine that's ready to go right out of the box, and that's worth a lot in my book. Alright, welcome to Chapter 3. Let's talk about the real fun part, unleashing the power within this beast. So, let's dive in and see what makes the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme so awesome. This isn't just any gaming PC, it's built to seriously level up your gaming sessions. Even when you're just putting it together, you can tell every part was picked with performance in mind. Take a peek inside and you'll see what I mean. The RGB lighting is super cool, definitely eye candy for any gamer, but the real magic is what's under the hood. The cooling system is top-notch, so you don't have to worry about things heating up, even during those marathon gaming nights. At the heart of it all is the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X processor. This thing is a multitasking champ. It can handle gaming, content creation, streaming, you name it. If you like to dabble in video editing or 3D stuff on the side, you're going to love how fast and efficient this CPU is. And get this, it comes with 16 gigs of RAM. That means you can have a bunch of programs open, stream, game, and your PC will still run like a dream. No more annoying slowdowns or lag when you're in the middle of something important. But honestly, the real star here is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti graphics card. This thing is a total game changer. It chews through the latest games and makes everything look absolutely stunning. With this GPU, you get gorgeous visuals and super smooth frame rates, even in the most demanding dollar-delay games. Imagine playing your favorite titles with zero lag or stutter. Just pure, buttery smooth gameplay. The detail and realism are honestly next level. You can easily play at high refresh rates in 1440p, and even push into 4K territory if you tweak your settings a bit. It's super flexible, so you can find the perfect balance between performance and eye-popping visuals for your style. Oh, and we can't forget about ray tracing. This tech makes your games look insanely realistic by simulating how light works in the real world. Shadows, reflections, lighting. They all look so much more lifelike. It's honestly like stepping into another world. Once you try gaming with ray tracing, you won't want to go back. The immersion is just wild. It makes every game feel fresh and exciting. So, if you're ready to really unleash the power within, and take your gaming to the next level, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme is definitely worth checking out. Alright, let's get real for a second. No review is complete without talking about the not-so-great stuff. So let's chat about the cons, or as I like to call it, every rose has its thorns. Now don't get me wrong, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme has a lot going for it, but like any piece of tech, it's not perfect. There are a couple of things you'll want to think about before you hit that buy button. Let's be honest, no gadget is flawless, and this gaming PC is no exception. It's always smart to weigh the good and the not so good, especially when you're making a big purchase like this. First up, the price. At $1,449.99, it's definitely a big investment. There are cheaper gaming PCs out there, so if you're on a tight budget or just starting out, this might feel a bit out of reach. But here's the thing, you usually get what you pay for. With this price, you're getting some seriously powerful components and performance. It's built to handle the latest games at high settings, so you're paying for that extra muscle. Another thing to keep in mind, sometimes pre-built PCs use lower quality parts in spots like the power supply or motherboard to save a few bucks. That could mean you'll need to upgrade sooner than you'd like, or you might run into issues down the road. I haven't cracked open this exact model myself, but it's always a good idea to double check. If you're not sure, maybe ask a tech-savvy friend or do a little research to make sure the parts are up to your standards. So, bottom line, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme is a powerhouse, but it's important to think about the price and the quality of the components. Do your homework, weigh your options, and you'll be able to pick the gaming PC that's just right for you. Alright, let's jump into Chapter 5, Feature Feast, because the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme is honestly so much more than just a good-looking machine. So, what makes this PC stand out? Well, first off, let's talk about storage. You get a massive 2TB SSD in here, which means your games and system boot up super fast. No more waiting around. Seriously, those long loading screens, pretty much a thing of the past. You'll be in your game before you know it. And can we just take a second to appreciate the design? This PC has a super clean, minimalist white look that honestly just looks awesome on any desk. It's not over the top or too flashy, just really modern and stylish. But honestly, the best part, it's how this thing performs. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme can handle all the latest games and heavy-duty apps without even breaking a sweat. Alright friends, let's wrap things up. Is the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme really worth it? We've just taken a deep dive into everything this gaming desktop has to offer, and honestly, it's pretty impressive. This thing is an absolute powerhouse. If you love gaming, you're going to have a blast with it. Sure, it's not perfect, but honestly, the good stuff far outweighs the little drawbacks. It's a solid pick, especially if you want a pre-built PC that's ready to handle anything, whether you're gaming, streaming, or getting work done. Thanks so much for hanging out with us for this review. We really appreciate you being here. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews. And hey, let us know in the comments, do you think this gaming desktop is worth it? We'd love to hear what you think.